Survival bias, also known as survivorship bias, is the tendency to study only successful outcomes and ignore the failures. This can lead to an overly optimistic view of the success of a particular investment strategy or approach. For example, an investor might look at a mutual fund that has outperformed the market for the past 10 years and conclude that it is a great investment. However, if they look at the fund's performance over the past 20 years, they might see that it has actually underperformed the market. This is because the fund manager may have been lucky and picked stocks that happened to perform well during the past 10 years. However, they may not be as skilled at picking stocks in the long run. Another example of survival bias is when investors look at the success of a particular investment strategy and assume that it will continue to be successful in the future. However, the market is constantly changing, and what worked in the past may not work in the future. For example, a strategy that worked well during a bull market may not work as well during a bear market. It is important to be aware of survival bias when making investment decisions. By understanding this bias, investors can avoid making decisions based on incomplete or misleading information. Here are some tips for avoiding survival bias. Do your research. Don't just rely on the past performance of an investment to make your decision. Look at the fund's or strategy's performance over a longer period of time and consider the factors that may have contributed to its success or failure. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. By diversifying your portfolio, you can reduce your risk if one investment underperforms. Rebalance your portfolio regularly. As the market changes, you may need to rebalance your portfolio to ensure that it still meets your investment goals. Get professional help. If you're not sure how to avoid survival bias, talk to a financial advisor. They can help you create a diversified portfolio that meets your investment goals. Visit bookme.planetwealth.in to book a free consultancy meeting.